Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about the new lesson Crafts of Tamil Nadu. Aim to identify different handicrafts of Tamil Nadu made from coconut, palmyra, bamboo and jute. To explain importance of stone sculptures, significance of textiles, wood and clay work. Some important keywords related in these lessons are palmyra, cane, jute, handicrafts, craftsman, monuments, sculptures, textiles, material, and loom. Students, what are these things made of? How can these be used? These are handicrafts. The art of making things by hand is known as craft. People who depend on crafts for their livelihood are called artisans or craft persons. Tamil Nadu has different types of handicrafts made from things which we can get from nature. First, we will see how to coconut used for us. This coconut, not only do we get the tasty fruit from the coconut tree, but also different types of handicrafts such as doormats, broom, ropes, toys, spoons and cups. Next, palmyra trees not only gives us the nungu fruit, but its leaves are also used to make bags, hats and baskets. The bamboo plant is used to make flutes, baskets, vessels, toys and even furnitures. Next, can and reed or coraipul are types of grasses used to make baskets, mats and furnitures. Next, the fibers of the jute plant are used to make ropes, sacks, bags, baskets, toys and even beautiful cloths also. They are strong and last for the long time. Next, we will see different sculptures and monuments of Mamallapuram. These are stone sculptures seen in Tamil Nadu. This is a seashore temple. These sculptures were built around 3000 years ago by the Pallava king. Each sculpture was handmade with granite stone. The craftsmen used simple tools like hammers, chisel and spent a lot of time and effort in making these sculptures. The sculptures of Mamallapuram are known as rock temples. They tell us about a past of Tamil Nadu. The walls of these temples mainly show animals, birds and stories from the time of period. We get an idea of how the society in Tamil Nadu must have been thousands of years ago, the king, religion and people. Students, where do we get cloth from? What are the different materials used to make dresses? We get cloth like cotton from plant, wool from sheep and silk from silkworm. Tamil Nadu is mainly famous for its cotton and silk cloths. The climate of Tamil Nadu is generally hot and humid. The people therefore mainly wear cotton clothes. The cotton textiles of Madurai, Coimbatore and Arni are well known. People mostly wear silk on special occasions. Kanjipuram and Tanjavur are the two towns famous for their textiles. The weavers weave a saree as they make it on a loom. Kanjivaram sarees are famous for their beautiful colors, gold embroidery and patterns. Pumbugar is famous for wood crafts. The craftspeople of this place make carved doors, temple cars and wall panels for temples from wood. Clay is also used to make beautiful pots, bricks, toys. The dancing doll of Tanjavur is one of the famous clay products of Tamil Nadu. Pots and dishes made from baked clay are called pottery. Things made with these crafts are useful and beautiful. They are also special of Tamil Nadu. Making these things by hand does not harm the environment. These handicrafts of Tamil Nadu are in great demand and are also sold all over the world. Okay students, today what we learned? Today we learned different types of handicrafts of Tamil Nadu. Thank you children.